Okay, students, this is your map. On this map, we need to do some preliminary stuff. So we're going to draw this line in at the bottom. In a pen, we're gonna add an additional row. If you make a little boo-boo like that, fine. So we now have to fill in some information in pen. Your name, your candidate number, if you know it. If not, I will fill that in. The title of the map, and we need to fill in this key. Here we've done some of that. We have our name, candidate number. The title of the map is called Track and Intensity of Hurricane Irma 2017, and we drew our key in. There are two more features that we're gonna add here, and those are the two features: islands or countries affected by the storm and the track of the hurricane. Okay, this is our first coordinate. It's 65.6 degrees longitude, 19.0 degrees latitude. We know that latitude lines run horizontally. So we're gonna look for 19 first. If this is our 20 line here, this is 19 here. So I'm gonna use a pencil just in case I make a mistake. And I'm gonna label these lines just so I can always know what they are. 19, this is 20, 21. And I'm gonna do the same thing along this bottom here, just so that I can have that information when I need it. So this is 85, 84, good. So notice we have all our numbers labeled for us. So first, we're gonna look at the latitude line first. So we're gonna look for 19, and 19 falls nice and neat, evenly on this bottom line. So now we need to find where 65.6 degrees intersects this 19 latitude line. So first, let's look for 65. This is 65 line right here. 65 line runs this way. We need to find 0.6 now. To find 0.6, we need to imagine that this line is broken up into 10 equal spaces. 10 equal spaces. We could also use a ruler and break it up into 10 equal spaces. Let me zoom in on this for you. So here, this is 0. This would be 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this line would be 10. So 5 will be halfway between, and 6 is right after it. So this is our 6th line right here. And we need to see where this line intersects this one. So this falls roughly on this line. Make sure it's even now. Make sure this line is straight. Falls about here. And boom, we got our first point. So we know that this is a hurricane, and the symbol for hurricane looks like this. So we're gonna draw this symbol right on this line. And this is where our fine tip marker comes in so that it stands out. There we go. And it's a Category 5 storm. And if you notice Category 5 storm, we use a red pencil. So we'll shade over this red. Good. So that's just one example. Let's look for another one just so that we're clear. Plot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 points. So we're going to plot those 9 points, and at the end we're going to draw a nice smooth line to connect them, which is going to show the path of the hurricane. And here is a map of a finished version. Now let's note some things on this map. I put in all the coordinates just like how we found them just a while ago. Look for all these points. We put them in. And notice deliberately right here I made a mistake. And notice how I corrected it. I draw a nice neat line through it. Please don't scotch on the map. No whiteout, no liquid paper as well. Additionally, as I was done, I drew a nice smooth line to connect all the points that I plot. And that's called the track of the storm. Additionally, I added this section here. It's called Islands and Countries Affected by the Storm. And I shaded it in a different color. I also labeled some islands on this map. The Dominican Republic, and I used the symbol for island or country. There we go, Haiti, dot, the symbol, Haiti, Inagua, Little Inagua, Auckland, and there you have it. That's your completed map for question 2.